Mensa's AI-powered teacher readiness program. Teachers across the country face real challenges, from building English fluency and managing diverse classrooms to applying policies like NEP 2020 and understanding compliance frameworks such as POXO and POSH. Traditional training often stops at theory. But what teachers truly need is a safe space to practice, get feedback, and grow in confidence. That's exactly what Mensa offers with AI-powered teacher readiness program. Let's begin with NEP 2020 training. This module includes AI-led coaching sessions that simplify NEP concepts such as holistic teaching, digital integration, inclusion, and competency-based education. To build real understanding, teachers also complete 4 short AI-led assessments. These interactive checks don't just test memory, they highlight understanding, show areas of improvement, and build confidence in grasping the policy. With this foundation, every teacher moves forward, not just familiar with NEP 2020, but clear and assured about what it truly means for their role. Moving on, we have English Readiness Program. For many teachers, the struggle with English shows up in the classroom, finding the right words, giving instructions, or answering questions on the spot. That's why Mensa offers AI-led courses that suit different language learning needs. Teachers can begin with Hindi to English speaking, where they build everyday comfort, switching between languages. Then they move to basic English speaking, strengthening vocabulary and sentence flow. Finally, they advance to building the fluency and presence needed to engage with students with clarity and confidence. Each course is short, conversational, and practice-driven. We have AI-led Teaching Simulator. This tool helps teachers practice their teaching skills in a safe, AI-driven rehearsal space. The teacher selects the subject, topic, and grade, and the AI steps in as a student. It asks questions, shows confusion, or even challenges the concept. The teacher responds just like in a real class, and then immediately receives feedback on clarity, pacing, language, engagement, and more. Another powerful tool is AI-led NEP lesson ideation. Once teachers have learned the principles of NEP 2020, the real question is, how do they bring this into their classroom lessons? With Mensa, they don't have to figure it out alone. They can sit with an AI coach and ideate lesson plans that follow NEP principles. Teachers can test out different approaches, compare ideas, and create practical lesson artifacts that they can actually adopt in their classrooms. This turns policy into practice, designing and delivering lessons that truly reflect NEP 2020. Now, equally vital is POXO training. For teachers, protecting children goes beyond academics. With this module, teachers learn how to identify, escalate, and sensitively manage child protection concerns. These AI-led learning modules explain key concepts in clear and simple language. After that, teachers can take AI-led assessments that test not just knowledge, but understanding of what actions to take, from identifying signs to escalating concerns to ensuring the safety of children. Finally, we have POSH training. Here, teachers learn the principles of safe, respectful conduct through AI-led coaching sessions and check their understanding with AI-led assessments for each training module. The result is more than compliance. It's the ability to build truly inclusive, supportive classrooms and institutions. These modules and tools create a complete ecosystem for teachers to teach with confidence, comply with policy, and create safe, inclusive, NEP-aligned classrooms.